5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Next, the Chizu Points massage. Start. Recently, parts of Asia have experienced very dry and hot conditions, especially during the summer and transitional seasons like now. When you catch a cough, what do? Don't panic. Follow my lead. My family always turns to massage. Although many consider a cough to be a common ailment, if ignored, it can develop into a serious illness. This time, I'll share with you how to relieve your cough by massaging and applying pressure to your hand for just 2 minutes. Let's go. The Kechuan point. Kechuan acupoint is located in the depression between index finger and the middle finger. And the new Kechuan acupoint is located in the depression between the little finger and the ring finger. Massage these two acupoints for 2 minutes each, or you can extend it to 3 to 5 minutes. If you don't achieve the desired result, apply pressure and rotate in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions. Now let's do the practice together for 2 minutes. Start now. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Next up, the other Kechuan point. Start now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Do both sides left and right. The Sanxiao point. This is actually a combination of two acupoints. The first is called Sanxiao, which is located in the depression behind the metacarpophalangeal joint of our index finger. The Jianzi point. Place your four fingers on the wrist creases. Between these two tendons, you'll find the Jianzi acupoint. Massage this point for 2 minutes using both clockwise and counterclockwise rotations. Now let's do the practice together. The Sanxiao point. Start now. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. When you have an itchy throat and you desperately want to stop coughing, turn your hand over and look at your palm. There's a significant acupressure point known as UGK. How do you locate it? It's positioned behind the midpoint of the second metacarpal bone. When you have a cough, your throat muscles tend to tighten. The benefit of this acupoint is that it can help relax those throat muscles, providing relief from your cough. The second acupoint is the Chai's point. It's especially beneficial if your throat constantly feels dry, itchy, hot, and uncomfortable. The Chi's point is an excellent acupoint for these symptoms. Moving down, you'll find the third acupoint about halfway between the wrist and the elbow. And just a bit above this midpoint, there's a crucial acupoint called the Kongzui point. This acupoint is located between the Qizhe points and is particularly helpful for those who experience swelling. Apply pressure to this point and move in a circular motion. It might feel a bit intense or sore, but try to massage it for at least 2 minutes. Examine your hand. If you notice swelling, it could indicate that phlegm has been trapped in your rib cage or lungs for an extended period. This is an important external sign. If this is the case, you can apply pressure and also use the scraping method for relief. Now join me in massaging each for 2 minutes on both sides. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Next, the Acupoints massage. Start. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Do this point for 2 minutes. Start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Do this point for 2 minutes. Start. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Do it in both hands and routine. Thanks for watching this massage point guide. If this was useful, please like and subscribe. Stay well.